This is how to remove a bell housing from a 4L60E, 4L65E, or a 4L70, which is same process, different tool, different sockets. Okay, a lot of people use the T50. It's a Torx bit. It's just a regular one, but most of the time we'll strip. The tool is a Torx Plus 50. This is the difference. It's a little flat on the tip, on the sides. And the 4L70E is the spiral. I don't think you cannot remove without this. I'll put the part number in the description, okay? This is a sample one. That's for the latest model, okay? You don't see them that often. Okay, a lot of people use the Torx 50. You can use it. It's not recommended because you can strip the bolt. This is the one. It's a Torx Plus 50. See the difference? You can get it out. A lot of people I've seen get it out from this. I used to get it out from this when I don't have the torque. But less risk, better. And for the 4L70, it's a spiral type. This is the part number. It's PFMTS4E. Snap-on. Spiral. That's for the latest model, okay? So you cannot use nothing else but that. So right now we're gonna use the Torx Plus 50. First thing, hold the transmission in place so it won't move, because you're gonna put a lot of pressure, a lot of torque on it. I don't recommend using any power tool, air or electrical, because most of the time you'll strip it. Really simple. It's a little bit tight, but it'll come out. Once it's loose, you can use any power tool. That's all it is. Alright, it's just getting the right tool makes it really simple. I've seen YouTube people try to make the tool just to make it fit. Don't even try it. It's a waste of time. And if it strips, then you gotta do a lot of more work. You gotta drill it out or use a chisel hammer and just hammer it out. So it's not really recommended because it makes it more complicated. So that's it. Like and subscribe.